Hey guys, I can definitely help you with writing an abstract for an English research paper. Writing abstract requires structure and clarity because both are important for a research paper. I say important because it requires publication. If an abstract has a well defined structure and clear content, it increases the rate of publication and even the citation score. Here I am providing information from title to keywords. The title catches the reader. I suggest the size of 10 words. If your title is long and it many words, then you can split it into a title and subtitle. Now let's come to abstract. The abstract is a framework for the research paper containing short information about the paper. This short information should reflect the whole actual paper and give the reader a comprehensive idea of the article. Here I am going to make your work easy by explaining the structural elements to be followed. This is my style of writing an abstract. Write 1 or 2 or 3 sentences about each element so that it's going to be around 150 to 250 words. I divided my abstract into 5 elements: aim and scope, problem and solution, methodology, main results, implications. Number 1, aim and scope. Write it at the beginning of the abstract. Next, the abstract should describe the identified problem and the provided solution. Then add information about the methodology used for the research. Later, the abstract should present the main results. The abstract should present the main results of the study so that it increases the desire of the reader to read more and more. Then provide implications of the study by the end. On the whole, an abstract provides a take-home message for the reader. Finally, we have come to keywords section. Keywords are used to find the article. Keywords promote the work so that the researchers can reach your work. There are 3 to 5 in number. You can write either words or phrases and arrange them in alphabetical order. These keywords are necessary for researchers or scholars or experts in your field to recognize the research. That's it. Your abstract is ready. I hope this video is useful. I don't need either thumbs up or subscription, but please do share the knowledge with research scholars or those who are interested in research. Thanks much for watching.